Okay, just to let you know, it is a Char-Broil gas smoker. Typical of this design. Vent, it's on top. You regulate the temperature by that. Going back and forth. Look inside. Down here, this pan right here, you pull this out, go ahead and clean it, whatever. Put your wood chips in here in the center. The flame comes up because it is gas. Here, put water, or you can put apple juice or a whole bunch of other things. But I had the roast sitting right here, and right here just so happens to be the back of the thermometer that reads the temperature. So we had a very accurate temperature reading. As far as I'm concerned, the gas smokers are so much better than the electronic ones. Electronic ones seem to burn out real quick. Of course, then if you catch a smoker on fire, yeah, I can imagine. Yeah, that happened to me. But anyway, the gas smoker right here that we have, very, very happy with, and it works well. Temperature regulation's good, it's constant, it's dependable, and that's what you need, something dependable. Okay, onward with the info on the roast. Before I started cooking this, got it out of the refrigerator. Of course, it was not frozen, it was already thawed out, and opened it up, drained off any blood or anything from it, and I went ahead and I covered it with the Rub It In Red Eye Coffee Rub. Had a little bit left in here, I rubbed it all over there and put it in the smoker with mesquite wood, the wood chips. I let the wood chips soak overnight. It usually only calls for half hour, let it soak in water. But I went ahead and I let the wood chips soak overnight and I put it in there. There's a massive amount of smoke, but it cleared up and generated just the right amount of smoke and only filled up that tub in there, that smoker, one time. And we kept the temperature right around 250, 275 degrees. It would fluctuate a little bit because the wind was blowing, and it was great. Tastes good, just the right amount smoke flavor in there. It's not overpowering, it's definitely not dry, and it works good. Thumbs up for that, that's for sure. Okay, here we are. Wife's opening up the roast that we just took out of the smoker. It's been in there since 10 minutes after 7 a.m. this morning. And it is now a little bit after 3 o'clock. Could have took it out a little bit earlier, I think. But it looks pretty good. So you think it's all cooked? Mm-hmm. Smells good. Mesquite chips, what we used in the smoker. Once you taste a piece, show us what you think.
It's hot.
Well, I know I tasted a piece here the other year. All right.
Mmm.
Is it good?
Nice and tender. It's good.
It's good? Cool.
Mmm.
That will work.
Now your turn.
Yay.
Mmm.
Okay. Left-handed here. I do everything backwards to all these right-handed people. Okay. Let me just see. A little bit of fat there. Oh, that's hot. Oh, we gotta wait. Oh, it's hot, 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 hot. It's good. Very good. Now you noticed here too, the smoking layer is kind of thin. Some people like to see their smoke layer a lot thicker, but I didn't want to dry it out, and I just wanted to experiment with this roast. That's the smoking layer there at top. Anyway, it's cooked, it's moist, and it's good. It's not dried out. So you can't argue with that. There's just no way. It's good. It actually got done about about 3 hours too soon, but that's okay. Because we temped it. We tried temp everything, and it worked great. Thank you very much.